news coming in from the Congress in Rajasthan. Congress now keeps its door open for Sachin Pilot. Rajasthan in charge Avinash Pandey tweets, "Party's doors are not closed for Pilot. May God give him the mind to realize his mistake. I pray that he comes out of the BJP's trap." Here's a strong message being sent out, but via Twitter. In fact, Congress within Rajasthan now says that the doors are open for Sachin Pilot. Rajasthan in charge Avinash Pandey tweets, and I quote, "Party's doors are not closed for Pilot. May God give him the mind to realize his mistake. I pray that he comes out of the BJP's trap." Here, Congress party there trying to make a last-ditch effort to see if they can bring back Sachin Pilot into their fold. Remember, Sachin Pilot has already been sacked from the position of Deputy Chief Minister, also sacked from the position of party president within the state of Rajasthan, the Congress party president. Here, we're looking at Sachin Pilot and his camp, at least 18 MLAs there who are currently disgruntled, rebels, who've already received a notice from the chief whip and now stand at, in fact, they're now at threat of being disqualified from the assembly as well. All this comes even as Sachin Pilot still mulling over whether or not to get back to the Congress party, stay with the Congress party or join the opposition. Maushami joining us for more details on this. Maushami, here we're looking at Avinash Pandey. They're taking to Twitter to try and woo back Sachin Pilot. A means and mode of communication, not really the most preferred one. Twitter that Avinash is taking to try and call Sachin Pilot back into the party fold. In fact, Sachin Pilot is still part of the Congress party very much, but he says, Avinash there says in his tweet, "I pray to God that sense prevails and he comes back, he realizes his mistake, and let's hope that he gets away from the trap of the BJP." Even till this minute, Congress of the Rajasthan there accusing the BJP of trying and bringing that crack within and the divide within the Congress there, not really introspecting within themselves. What was the real reason for things to go sour between Sachin Pilot and Ashok Gehlot there? That hasn't been pondered upon, but BJP is being blamed for trying and bring in fissures within the Congress there.
Nabila, see, there are multiple political factors at play. If you look at the entire fallout of Sachin Pilot being removed as the president of the Congress party in Rajasthan and the action that has been called upon on all the MLAs of the Sachin camp. So you have Avinash Pandey taking to Twitter. Now Twitter timeline has been flooded with very symbolically politically loaded messages. Remember Sachin Pilot saying that truth can be troubled but not defeated, and similar lines we heard when Scindia had actually quit the party. And if you remember that it was Twitter that Rahul Gandhi had resorted to showing Sachin Pilot and Ashok Gehlot flanked by them on the right and the left, saying that celebrating the victory of Rajasthan. But a lot of water has flown in the Yamuna river ever since then. Sachin kept that heartburn, and now it has come to this. Will the climax turn anti-climax for the BJP? We will have to wait and watch, but definitely the BJP would be looking to weaken the Congress in Rajasthan, to the image beating that the Congress party has taken. Congress is trying to salvage that. There are signals that there might be a last-ditch attempt to save its reputation, the way the entire drama has fallen out. On the other hand, the Sachin Pilot camp is wary. They've got a notice. They are taking legal opinion, speaking to legal experts to ensure that how they can save their fortress as far as, you know, their camp is concerned. On the other hand, you have the Ashok Gehlot government putting in whatever it takes to keep its stock together, Nabila.
Right, Maushami, here the question is, with the Congress party asking Sachin Pilot to come back, let's hope better sense prevails, and let's hope he comes back to the party and gets away from the trap of the BJP. What does that mean? Does that mean that they're going to give him back the Deputy Chief Minister's post? That remains a big question there. Sachin Pilot already sour with the fact that he wasn't given the Chief Minister's position. Now, will he settle for anything less? That's the question.